Okay, this is my Bedini battery charger, and it's working really well. Let me stop it so you can take a look at it. Let me just. Alright, well, you can see right now it's drawing just over 100 milliamps. I'm running it off these two 6-volt batteries. So let me disconnect one lead here. Alright, that'll stop. I'll show you how I made it. Alright, these are 3/8 by 1 inch neodymium magnets. This whole aluminum wheel I got off a dryer at an abandoned Navy base. It was an extended rim, so I had to cut off the extension for the pulley, and I took the street sign, 1/8 inch aluminum, and I put a bottom on it. And I made these little brackets to hold the magnets because you don't want them just sitting in that groove. Coil. That's I use 20 gauge and 26 gauge. And you can see the core. It's a bunch of steel rods. I just wound it full. You wind the 20 and the 26 at the same time, and you just fill the whole spool up. You can see the back of the core. The regular bedini circuit, the SSG, that's the potentiometer. Transistor, right here is the neon lamp. This here I found also at the base. This was a old VCR head, and the bearing on it is so smooth, so that's what you want to use. But these magnets are super powerful. Alright, let me turn this on and show you how it works. Works great. Hook this wire back. Alright, let me give it a spin. Fires right up nice. Let it reach equilibrium. Alright. You can see just over about 110 milliamps. And you could adjust that with this, but it seems that this is the best. Now, this battery was 12.82, I think, and I have had it on there a while, and it's charging really good. This puts out very high voltage. You can see this lead here goes into my plus on my battery. So I'll take it off and show you the sparks. I mean, there's some sparking going on. Now, if I take this off, you'll see this comes on. Saves the transistor from blowing. Now putting the lead back on the battery. Alright, so that's working good. That coil's working good. It's amazing. You're actually taking 12 volts or less, and you're charging that other battery. You could charge this up to 14 and a half. It just keeps going. I'm getting about 35 milliamps of high voltage going into the plus on the battery here. What I'm thinking of doing is somehow maybe putting some air coils, 3 of them around this pulley, to take that energy and use it as the primary battery, hopefully making this self-contained, let it just run on its own. But if that doesn't work, I'm also thinking about getting a small motor like this one, a little tiny one. I'm winding it right now, and somehow maybe put a little bit of a pulley in between, and maybe get 12 volts, 100 milliamps out of this. So all I gotta do to start it is maybe just pull the pulley, and it'll run itself. But it definitely works. Definitely works. No problems whatsoever. Like I said, about a little over 100 here, and right here where it's going in. That's about 35 milliamps. I could turn it up to 40, but it seems most efficient around 35. And that'll see it's now starting to go 9192. So it's working.